Hello everyone, I'm Sham, the Times of New Bharat. Looking for the best gadget in affordable price? Then great news for you. Chinese smartphone giant Xiaomi has launched its latest next generation tablet in Indian market. And the name is Redmi Pad AC 4Z. Starting price at 10,999 for 4GB plus 64GB variant and 11,999 for 4GB plus 128GB variant. It's available in three color options: forest green, ocean blue and urban grey through MI online store from 8 August 2024. Let's check out the specification of this affordable multitasking gadget. It comes with 8.7-inch LCD screen, 5:3 ratio, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Runs on latest Android 14 based on Xiaomi Hyper OS and powered by MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core processor. New Redmi Pad AC4Z is available in two variants: 4GB plus 64GB, 4GB plus 128GB with 2TB microSD card support. This is not enough to enhance your photography and video calling experience. It comes with single 8MP front camera with HD video recording and 5MP front camera for video calling with HD video calling and video recording facility. New Redmi Pad SE4Z also powered by 6650 mAh battery with 10-watt wired charging, and it's a dust and water protected tablet and offers you world-class multitasking experience in a budget price. Then what are you waiting for? Book your dream gadget today.